Hey guys, so I am in Goa and I was just getting ready. It's actually our last day in Goa and I wanted to share with you guys my classic makeup look. In my last video I shared my favorite makeup and beauty products and my Nykaa Pink sale for the Nykaa Hot Pink sale, and I shared a lot of products and in fact I tried a lot of them in that video, but today I'm just showing you guys like my classic makeup look, which I do pretty much everywhere, but it's even more simpler and more natural when I'm on a holiday because you just don't want to do too much. So I'm gonna just quickly do it. I don't have too much time, so it's gonna be quick. Starting off, I've already done my skincare, so I'm just starting off with this sunscreen. This is the Dr. Sheth's ceramide and vitamin C sunscreen. It's a very nice and mild sunscreen and I really like it. So skincare is pretty much sorted. Can't find my clip, let me tie my hair. Now that the sunscreen is sorted, the skincare part is pretty much sorted. I'm gonna start by priming my skin, and I usually either use a primer or the Charlotte Tilbury Hollywood Flawless Filter. I've told you guys how much I love this product. It just gives me just the perfect shine on my skin, just the perfect glow and just the perfect base. I am wearing white pants and I really don't want my foundation to fall on me. This is a pack brush. It's a foundation brush, and sometimes I mostly use a beauty blender, but when I'm in a hurry I use a brush, and today I'm in a hurry, so just quickly blending this in. I've used the Clinique Moisture Surge as my moisturizer, guys. It's also one of the best. So just applied this, and I've started to reverse my base. Usually I used to put my base product then concealer, but these days I'm actually using my concealer first and then my base product. I'm using the Too Faced Born This Way concealer and just gonna conceal all these pimple marks first, all the places that I want to conceal. I'm just gonna do that first. So just being a little generous with my concealer and just concealing all the places where I need help. I'm gonna be using the e.l.f. Cosmetics sponge. This is the smaller size sponge. It just works very well. I actually prefer this to the big size ones. The big size ones aren't that spongy. This is like really easy to apply. It's a nice weather today in Goa, and we've had a really good holiday. I'm staying at the Wildflower Villas, and can you see, this is actually my balcony and such a perfect spot, peaceful lush green spot to actually sit down, have your cup of coffee, chill with your family. It's a really good property. I really like it. So as you can see, the sponge really blends out the concealer very well, and it just blends it in a very natural way. Now that the concealer is done, I'm just gonna go in with a little bit of the Smashbox Halo just to give an even tone to my skin after my concealer. So I'm not gonna go too much. Anyway, it's a very mild product, and I'm gonna use the PAC Pizza Puff. This is the bigger size. I usually prefer the smaller size, but I couldn't find it. So I'm just gonna take this and just start by applying this evenly on all of my skin. This is again a very natural glowy tinted moisturizer, and I love this tinted moisturizer. It's pretty much my go-to. I use it every single day. And this PAC one just blends your foundation, concealers very well and very naturally. I'm shooting outdoors, so I actually hope the audio is right, but yeah, halfway through actually. Anyway, my routine is very simple and I'm pretty much halfway through. But just take that extra minute to blend your base in, because if the base is not blended nicely, your other products will not look nice and it will look patchy and cakey. So as you can see, I'm just going ahead again and again. I still have product in my hand which I'll probably use to cover the pimple marks, but rest I'm just blending, and blending is the key to a nice flawless base. So as you can see, it's nice and glowy and looks lovely. Blush, actually on this holiday I'm not carrying too many blushes. I usually have 2-3 options and I shoot different videos with different products. This time I really packed light. So I'm using the Makeup Revolution Blush Bomb. I finally found this on Nykaa. Earlier I was not able to find it. This is in the shade Rose Lust. I've pretty much used this my entire holiday. This and the Rare Beauty blush actually. But this is a very natural pink color blush and I love it. Pack 214 brush I'm obsessed with for my blush. Just look at how nicely it will blend the blush into my skin. It's actually beautiful. I'm gonna take a little more if I need to, but I think for now, for a nice natural look, this blush is so beautiful. You can see I always go naturally all over my nose so that it looks very natural and not patchy again. Yeah, of course using a lot of highlighter. I'm using the Rare Beauty Illuminator in the shade Mesmerize, just a little bit for that extra holiday glow. Whatever liquid highlight you use, just always put it on all the high points that you want to have that little glow. So I always put it on the eyes, on the nose, on the upper lip, and of course the cheeks. It's just the perfect, simple, subtle holiday glow is what this gives me. Nothing over the top, as you can see till now. My holiday makeup look is always this. It's simple and it's subtle and it's beautiful. I'm going to do up the eyes a little because I've actually slept for only 4 hours last night. So this is the only palette I always use, the only brush I always use. Very pretty simple. This is the MAC 217 brush. I've had it for 8.5 years now and I'm still using it. That good. Biggest and the best investment for my eye brush. And this is the Too Faced Natural Nudes palette, which I've shown you in my earlier video. The best, and I pretty much use this on an everyday basis and for anything. So I'm using this shade Warm Rose, which is a very natural pink shade. This brush is fab, guys. So as you can see, all I'm doing is just adding a little of this warm nude color to give it a nice depth and my eyes and not look very bland. Yeah, blending it nicely. That's it. I don't want to do too much. I'm using the e.l.f. eyebrow pencil for sure. This is so good. It's the Instant Lift brow pencil, and this entire holiday I've only used this one to just fill my brows and just this spoolie is also amazing. So it's a very good, affordable and good product for your brows. Just a beautiful shade. So using the other side to just brush them. You know, the moment you do your brows, you look very put together in terms of your makeup look, and that's a big learning. So just this, and the brows are also done. You can see the difference. Okay, for my lips, I want to show you so many things. Today we'll go ahead with a classic lip combination. I'm using the MAC Velvet Teddy, which is again a peachy nude, perfect nude color, and my current favorite liquid lip. This is the Bobbi Brown Crushed Liquid Lip in the shade Juicy Date. Oh my god. So we will just go with this first. You know, this is such a classic lipstick. right? A light lip followed by another light liquid lip. Just look at this shade. It is so pretty. I love it. This is pretty much used every day. Okay, for the mascara, I'm using one of my favorite, Too Faced Better Than Sex. I love this so much. I've finished so many, I have no count. But it is one of the best mascaras out there. It just elongates your lashes, and you'll just look at my lashes. I'm not using kajal or liner today, guys. I'm not in the mood because it's morning time and I want to keep it subtle. But that's my look. I think it's come out pretty well. So that is my look, guys. It's very nice, glowy, simple, yet obviously very glamorous. But I mean, actually not glamorous, this is just more glowy, but I think I really like it. This is my classic quick look because I'm always getting late and I just don't have time for too many products. Let me know what you guys think. This is my classic makeup look. All the products that I love. I obviously have a lot of stuff here, but I picked up some products that I usually constantly use for my makeup look, and this is such a classic look. It's glowy, it's dewy, and simple subtle eye makeup, little shadow and beautiful nude lip, and of course a little bit of highlighter doesn't hurt. A little extra highlighter doesn't hurt. I'm gonna link all of these products down below, guys. I hope you guys liked this video. This is my classic makeup look. Hope you liked it. Thank you for watching. Bye.